Let me start at the very beginning when I was a
Mhm.
kid, right? So I always remember myself as being very self-sufficient,
Mm.
be not dependent on anyone for anything.
Mm.
I would just be myself, and I would do things myself. And I was
Mm.
a very responsible kid
Mm.
because both my parents were working. And
Mm.
I used to observe people a lot. I
Mm.
was very curious. I used to read a lot. In
Mm.
fact, there was a nearby library in which I'd finished all the children's books, right? So there was nothing left.
Right.
But I also used to be good at school. I used to be friendly, social.
Mm.
I had a lot of exposure to people as a kid because both my parents were very social and they used to travel a lot. Fortunately, I had a lot of exposure to different kinds of people
Mm.
and a lot of patriotism, a lot of love for the society, love for
Mm.
impact. My parents always used to help people a lot, so I always wanted to make a lot of impact
Mm.
in this world.
Mm.
I mean, money was not discussed that much, right, in my
Mm.
childhood, but impact was.
Mm.
So I always grew up with that thing, that I want to make impact. And I always felt like all of us have some kind of superpowers, right?
Right.
So we just have to discover our own superpower,
Mm.
right? It need not be like Superman or Batman or whatever, right? It's just that
Mm.
you need to discover your superpower, right?
Mm. Mm.
And yeah, I was very creative, curious.
Mm.
Always think of why not this, right?
Mm.
Everybody would think, why this? I would think,
Mm.
I want this.
Right.
And I used to be very creative like that. I joined dentistry. I did not really want
Mm.
to, but then, in South Indian families, it's like you have to have one doctor, one engineer,
Right.
every family, and all of that, right? That pressure. Somehow I missed that, merit medical seat by some 2, 3 marks.
Right.
I got into dentistry. Not that I
Mm.
regret it, but, I did enjoy learning about it. And I practiced it also for 4 years.
Wow.
But at the same time, I was not very happy because, again, impact, right? I wanted to make
Mm.
impact. I was quite impatient at that time, I think. And I didn't know whether by being a friendly neighborhood dentist, I would create a lot of impact, right?
Mm.
I respect people a lot who do it, right? And obviously, they are creating impact in people's lives.
Mm.
But I always had a bigger canvas, right? Thinking canvas. And I always used to talk a lot to my patients, observe them,
Mm.
what would make them happy, what would make them angry.
Mm.
I always, and wherever with whoever I met, I always used to see deeper into their psychology, like, why are they behaving the way they,
Mm.
or even if I travel in trains, I'm a, observer, right?
Mm.
And I like stories, I
Mm.
like people, and I sort of make connections, right?
Mm.
So I generally find life very interesting because of that.
Mm.
So yeah, so what happened was then I got into creative writing, copywriting. After
Mm.
that, after 4 years, because I was always interested in writing, and
Mm.
used to get prizes for mad ads in college and all that.
Mm.
And after that, there was no stopping me. Like once I
Mm.
got into copywriting,
Mm.
I
Right.
got digital marketing,
Mm.
and the whole thing. I've worked in various companies.
Mm.
What I can say is I made the best of every opportunity that came to me.
Mm.
And it just happened to come to me at the right time. And, at that time, everybody was like, oh, she's unstable, or, she's
Mm.
going from one kind of company to the other. She's going
Right.
from a digital agency where she's heading the
Mm.
agency literally to Yahoo, which is in a sales role. Like,
Mm.
couldn't make sense of it, right? People
Mm.
couldn't make sense of it. But for me, it was like, okay, I've learned all this. Now I should learn selling also, right? I've worked with an agency. Now I want to work with the publisher side also. So
Mm.
for me, it made a lot of sense.
Mm. Mm.
And then I got into Z Digital, and then I became an editor for a health portal. It was all like, now if I see it, it all
Mm.
makes a lot of sense
Yeah.
because I picked up different skill sets at different jobs, different roles.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
at the same time, I was evolving as a human being also.
Right.
I was getting more confident. I went from managing teams to
हुँ,
becoming a PNL head to then an entrepreneur. Beach में I did MBA also, executive MBA.
हुँ,
So that added more skill sets and
हुँ,
better mindset and all of that, right? So it's all a journey.
हुँ,